Hi friends, it's Miss Glenda. This week we're talking about things that are the same and things that are different. So I'm going to show you some animals and I want you to tell me if they're the same or different. Okay, do you see this? It's a puppy. Is this a puppy? Yes, a puppy here and a puppy here. They are the same. Okay, let's do another one. Here's this one and this one. Are they the same? No, this is a puppy. This is a fish. They are different. Oh, let's try this one. Here is an animal and here is an animal. Are they the same? No, this is a fish and this is a puppy. They are different. Let's try these two. Are these two the same animal? Yes, a puppy here and a puppy here. Nice job, friends. This time, I'm going to put some animals in a dish, a cupcake pan, a mini one. We're gonna look at the color. We're gonna find the color that is the same and different. So look at these. Are these two colors the same? Yes. Are these two colors the same? No. Which one is different? Touch the color that is different. We have yellow, yellow, orange, yellow. Orange is different. We'll take him out. Now, are they the same color? Yes, they are yellow, yellow, yellow. Let's try another one. We're looking at the colors this time, not the animal. All right. What do you see? What color do you see? Oops. Miss Glenda put the wrong one in there. Here we go. What color is this? Blue. What color is this? Red. What color? Red. What color? Red. We have blue, red, red, red. Which color is different? Point to different. Blue. Blue is different than red. Are these all the same? Are they the same colors? Yes, they're red, red, red. Let's try one more. Okay, let's look at these colors. Which color is different? Oops. Yellow. Yellow is different. It does not match. It does not look the same. Which colors do match? These are all green. Green animals. Friends, You can find anything to sort at home to practice finding the same color and different colors. These cupcake pans are great to help put them in so they stay where they are. So I hope you can find some things that are the same and some things that are different around your house. Have a great day. Bye.